Forget everything you think you know about firewood. We're about to take you on a journey that will completely redefine your understanding of what it means to process wood. This isn't just about chopping logs, it's about harnessing the power of modern technology to transform raw timber into perfectly cut firewood, ready to ignite and warm your home. This ain't your grandpappy's backyard woodpile. Gone are the days of manual labor, where hours were spent with an axe and a saw, sweating under the sun. Today, we have machines that do the heavy lifting, the cutting, and the splitting, all with the precision and efficiency that would make our ancestors' jaws drop in awe. This is the big leagues, folks. A symphony of steel and hydraulics where raw logs get transformed into blazing beacons of warmth. Imagine a place where the air is filled with the hum of engines and the rhythmic thud of logs being split. It's a place where technology and nature collide, creating a spectacle that is as mesmerizing as it is powerful. We're talking about machines that can devour a tree faster than a beaver on a bender. These aren't your average tools. These are high-powered, precision-engineered marvels of modern engineering. They take a tree, something that took years to grow, and in a matter of seconds, transform it into perfectly cut pieces of firewood, ready to be stacked and stored. Machines that make firewood processing look like a ballet of brute force. Each movement is calculated, each cut precise. It's a dance of machinery, where every piece of equipment has a role to play, and they all work together in perfect harmony to achieve a common goal, turning raw timber into firewood. These are the gladiators of the firewood arena, and they're about to lock horns in an epic battle for supremacy. Get ready to rumble. In this arena, it's not just about strength, it's about speed, precision, and efficiency. Each machine is a contender, each one vying for the title of the ultimate firewood processor. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we dive into the world of industrial firewood processing. This is the Thunderdome of timber, where only the best machines survive and the competition is fierce. Welcome to the future of firewood. First up, we got the Bell's Elite Firewood Processor. This machine is a true marvel of engineering, designed to make the arduous task of processing firewood as effortless as possible. This ain't your average backyard toy. No, this is a beast of a machine, built for those who need to process large quantities of firewood quickly and efficiently. This machine is the Rolls-Royce of firewood processors, and it comes with a price tag to match. But what you're paying for is top-of-the-line performance and durability. But let me tell you, this baby's got it where it counts. It's not just about looking good, it's about getting the job done right every single time. We're talking about a machine that can handle logs up to 24 inches in diameter. That's right, this processor can take on some of the biggest logs you'll ever come across. It can cut, split, and stack firewood faster than you can say timber. Imagine the time you'll save with this powerhouse in your arsenal. The Bell's Elite Firewood Processor also boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to operate. With advanced settings and controls, you can customize the machine to suit your specific needs. Safety is a top priority with this machine. It comes equipped with multiple safety features, including an emergency stop button and protective guards, ensuring that you can work with peace of mind. Maintenance is a breeze with the Bell's Elite Firewood Processor. Easy access to all parts means you can perform routine checkups and keep the machine running smoothly without any hassle. Whether you're running a commercial firewood business or just need to process a large amount of wood for personal use, this machine is up to the task. Its industrial-grade components ensure that it can handle heavy-duty use day in and day out. Don't just take our word for it. Many satisfied customers have praised the Bell's Elite Firewood Processor for its reliability and performance. It's a game-changer in the world of firewood processing. This machine is built to withstand the elements. Whether it's scorching hot or freezing cold, the Bell's Elite Firewood Processor will keep on working, providing you with consistent results no matter the weather. When compared to other firewood processors on the market, the Bell's Elite stands out for its superior features and unmatched performance. It's an investment that pays off in the long run. The quality of the firewood produced by this machine is second to none. Each piece is uniform and neatly stacked, ready for use or sale. In conclusion, the Bell's Elite Firewood Processor is a top-tier machine that delivers on all fronts. It's powerful, efficient, and built to last. If you're serious about firewood processing, this is the machine for you. For more information, visit our website or contact us today. The Bell's Elite Firewood Processor, where quality meets performance. Next up, we got the Ninja 800 Expert. Don't let the name fool you, this machine is no joke. It might be compact, but it packs a serious punch. The Ninja 800 Expert is all about efficiency. It's designed to maximize your output while minimizing your effort. It's the perfect machine for the serious firewood enthusiast who demands the best. Section 4 TigerCat 726E, the heavyweight champion. Now we're talking serious firepower. The TigerCat 726E is a beast of a machine built for the most demanding firewood operations. This thing eats logs for breakfast. It can handle trees up to 26 inches in diameter without breaking a sweat. If you're looking for the ultimate firewood processing machine, this is it. Woodcracker W1000. Precision engineering meets brute force. In the world of forestry and wood processing, there are few machines that can match the sheer power and precision of the Woodcracker W1000. This remarkable piece of equipment is a true marvel of modern engineering, combining brute force with meticulous precision to deliver unparalleled performance in the field. From the forests of Austria comes the Woodcracker W1000. Austria, known for its dense and expansive forests, has long been a hub for advanced forestry machinery. The Woodcracker W1000 is a shining example of this tradition, designed and manufactured to meet the rigorous demands of professional loggers and forestry experts. Its robust construction and innovative features make it an indispensable tool in the industry. This machine is a testament to European engineering. European engineers are renowned for their attention to detail and commitment to quality, and the Woodcracker W1000 is no exception. Every component of this machine has been carefully crafted to ensure optimal performance and longevity. From its powerful hydraulic system to its precision cutting blades, the Woodcracker W1000 embodies the best of European engineering. It's built to last, with a rugged design that can withstand the toughest conditions. The forestry industry is not for the faint of heart, and the equipment used must be able to endure harsh environments and heavy workloads. The Woodcracker W1000 is built with durability in mind, featuring a rugged exterior that protects its internal components from damage. Whether it's operating in extreme temperatures or rough terrain, this machine is up to the challenge. But don't let the rugged exterior fool you. Beneath its tough exterior lies a sophisticated piece of machinery designed for precision and efficiency. The Woodcracker W1000 is equipped with advanced technology that allows it to perform delicate tasks with remarkable accuracy. This combination of strength and precision sets it apart from other machines in its class. The Woodcracker W1000 is also incredibly precise. Precision is key in the forestry industry, where even the smallest error can lead to significant waste and inefficiency. The Woodcracker W1000 is designed to minimize these risks, offering unparalleled accuracy in every cut. Its precision cutting capabilities ensure that each log is processed to the exact specifications required, reducing waste and maximizing productivity. It can cut logs to the exact length you need, with minimal waste. The efficiency of the Woodcracker W1000 is truly impressive. By cutting logs to precise lengths, it helps to optimize the use of raw materials and reduce unnecessary waste. This not only benefits the environment but also improves the overall profitability of forestry operations. The Woodcracker W1000 is a game-changer in the industry, offering a perfect blend of power, precision, and efficiency. Automation Nation, where firewood practically packages itself. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get futuristic. We're talking about machines that take firewood processing to a whole new level. Imagine a machine that not only cuts and splits your firewood but also cleans and packages it all automatically. That's the future of firewood processing, and it's closer than you think.